Welcome once again, dear beautiful friends. I'm Naomi as always. So today's video I wanna show you how to make charcoal briquettes. Yeah, how to make this kind of charcoal. If you are someone who is always using charcoal, buying charcoal, please feel much welcomed. If you are ready to learn, I'm also still learning. Stay connected so that I can show you how to make this kind of charcoal. What you'll require is only charcoal dust. If you are using charcoal, the remaining particles of your charcoal, the charcoal dust remained, that's what you'll need, and cow dung and water. So you can see me, I'm having charcoal dust. You can see there are dust, charcoal dust, and small particles of charcoal remained after you are done using your charcoal. So I'm adding water, just normal water from a well, just water, normal water. Then what I'm going to add next is a binder. I'm going to use a cow dung. Some people use always using soil, some using cooking flour, but for me here today I'm going to use cow dung as my binder. That will bind it together for it to stick together. So you can see me, I'm adding cow dung. Yeah, just normal cow dung. Doesn't matter the gender of the cow. Doesn't matter the gender of the cattle. Cow dung, cow dung. Yeah. So that's what I'm adding as a binder, as something that will going to make it stick together. Then you continue mixing. Yeah, like you can see, I'm mixing until you feel the texture where you can make it stick together. You get it? You understand? So guys, if you are always using charcoal, don't always waste a lot of money buying charcoal. You can buy, then the remaining small particle, the remaining dust, you can as well use it to make your own charcoal using cow dung that you just get readily available at your home or from your neighbor. Yeah, so always at least cut the cost of buying charcoal. Yeah, so I continue mixing it because with this small amount, you saw the amount of charcoal dust I was having. Imagine I'm going to have a charcoal that can make me cook, prepare my supper, the whole of supper. You know, supper, people always cook a lot of things. Yeah, for me, supper, I cook a lot of things compared to lunch and breakfast. So here, I'm going, this amount of charcoal gonna prepare for me supper, the whole of it until I finish. So I was just mixing like that. Yeah, I was mixing and testing. You can see me, I'm testing if it is enough. If it is not breaking, I will continue. I'll go ahead and continue making my circles from my mixture. So I realized it was still breaking. So I continued mixing. You can see I'm mixing. Yeah, just like that. No big deal here, just like that. So guys, please stay tuned until you see the result. Yeah, now I realized I can make it and it is not breaking. I realized it can stick together now. Now it can stick together. You can see. Yeah, you're gonna see. I'm going to place them there on that. We call it kapera. That kajuala. That kapepa. It is not a paper bag. It is something. Where during harvest people here harvest their produce from the farm. So you can see me, they are now stick together, they are together. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, I continue doing it like that until I get the result I need. Yeah, so guys, this kind of video you can share with your friends. Even if you are in the town, guys, because some people using charcoal, like if you want to cook your beans, you can use charcoal, because using gas, if you don't use electricity, using gas to cook beans is somehow expensive. Because I see people selling charcoal, you can just go nearby where people are selling charcoal, then you collect charcoal dust, you can buy, or if they give you for free, it is okay. If you can buy, just buy small amount. Then you look for instead now of using cow dung, because in the city you cannot get cow dung. So what you'll use, if you cannot find cow dung, you'll use cooking flour. this normal cooking flour. In Kenya we have what we have, pembe, we have yeah, those kind of cooking flour. Just mix it. So you make cooking flour as a binder that will stick it together instead of using cow dung, guys. So if you're in the city, you can as well go ahead and make your charcoal briquettes, guys. Very easy to make. You saw me, I was only having water, cow dung, because I'm at home and the cow dung is readily available, so I decided to use a cow dung instead of using cooking flour. Yeah, so I decided to use cow dung because it is free instead of wasting cooking flour, guys. So I was just continue making my balls. Yeah, circles. I was calling them circles, balls. They are just balls, just like that. Yeah, until I finish. Yeah, until I finish. Then after you are done, you will continue turning them upside down, sideways, going down, coming up. Yeah, for all of them to get sun, for them to dry fully. Yeah, both sides to dry fully. So you keep on turning. You'll see me turning after I'm done mixing them. You'll see me turning them, turning until I finish, because I want them to dry fully, both sides to dry. Yeah, very quickly, because I'm not around here, I'm not at home, I'm going back somewhere. So I will continue turning them. You'll see turning them after every 30 minutes. I will turn them like that until they dry completely, guys. So guys, this part I make it large, at least to talk to you guys. Yeah, to tell you can share this kind of video with your friends. Yeah, and you can as well watch my other videos. I'm having good videos, of course. Yeah, so be free to watch my videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend, guys, to come watch my videos. Haha, Allah, you don't want me to have views, you don't want me to chop money. Here on YouTube, people are chopping money, I'm chopping nothing. I beg. So like this video, this useful video, imagine you people don't watch, and the way this video is useful, very useful. Yeah, this is useful to everyone, those who are using charcoal, those who want to cut down the cost of buying charcoal. Yeah, we have to cut some time cost of buying things. If you have an option, now you can cut it. Yeah, guys, the cameraman, I told cameraman at least now to stop, but the cameraman was like, okay, I want to make this video reach 15 minutes. Yeah, so guys, I'm almost done. You can see I'm almost done. And yeah, I'm having also dogs, guys. I'm having my dogs. So that's my friend saw me around, so he came to say hi to me. He was passing. We are next to the road. Our home is next to the road. So my friend was passing with the motorbike, and he saw me, so he came to say hi. That is by the way, I'm sorry for that. Yeah, so guys, you can see I'm still making them. You can see a lot of I'm coming out with a lot of charcoal briquettes. There are a lot of them, and I was only having small amount of charcoal dust and cow dung for free, and water for free, of course. And those who are living in places where there is not there, if you are living a place where there is no water, you can even use the water you have done using the water you used to mop, the water you used to any water. But I'm very sure you cannot use water with the soapy water after you are done washing your clothes. That's kind of what I think, especially if you are using Omo. I think it will make this charcoal briquettes to burst, to break. I don't think you can use soapy water having soap or having Omo. So guys, I was done. You can see me, I'm washing my hands. I'm done, completely done. So I will just continue turning them like that. I will continue turning them. So guys, don't try using soapy water with the soap. Like after you are done washing, then you just use that water to to make this charcoal briquettes. I don't think so. I think soap will make them break. Yeah, you can use water with whether it is dirty but having no soap, water with no soap. So I was just continue turning them, guys, but I make them big sizes. You can see they are somehow big. Yeah, meaning I could have come out with many charcoal here. Now they are dry, guys. You can see I was turning them. You can see the traces when they were wet. Yeah, so they are now dry. I'm trying to, because this is the I made this kind of charcoal during the day. It was already late, so next day, so this thing just take few days only. Imagine only one day, let me say one day, and they are already dry. You can see. So I'm having that is my jiko. Yeah, I'm going to choose the one that are at least dry completely. The smaller ones really dried very fast. So if you are making this kind of charcoal, you can make them small, especially if you are using them at your home, in your house. If you are not going to sell them, of course, if you are going to sell them, I know you people will make them big for them to to fit where you are going to weigh them very quickly. So if you are using them at home, you can just make small one. You can see me, I'm trying to weigh them. I'm just trying to look for the dry ones that dried completely, because it only took one day complete, 24 hours. Yeah, so let's wait and see whether it will fire or not, whether it will give us fire or not. Of course, that is it, guys. You can see our fire is there already. Yeah, our fire is there already. You can see it is catching fire. I just wanna try to boil that water for you to see that it can work. Then after that, I'm also going to cook something to show you that it can work. It is possible. Even you can make it at home. Yeah, so let's give that fire. Let's give it time, that water time. Yeah, you can see it is really now coming hotter and hotter, guys. Yeah, it's now becoming hotter and hotter, guys. That is it. So please feel much welcome. It is already hot. You can see it is already hot. I cannot even touch the sufuria. I can't even touch the sufuria, guys. I'm just trying to look for some things. I don't have kamata here, guys. We don't have kamata. We use cobs or karatasi or papers to hold our hot sufurias. So guys, there I was cooking cassava. Let's wait and see if that cassava will cook well. That is it, guys. You can see. So you can make your fire briquettes, guys. You can make your charcoal briquettes to cook anything, everything. Of course, charcoal, if you are using charcoal, you must be patient. Charcoal is not like electricity. You are using electricity or gas. Yeah, you can see my cassava is now well cooked using charcoal briquettes. Feel much welcome to make your own charcoal briquettes at any time. Yeah, to make work easier at home. Thank you so much for staying with me. Bye, and see you soon in my next video. Watch this video to an end. This part I was just making, guys, I was making it long. Yeah, bye for today. See you soon. God bless you, God bless me, and God bless all of us. Chop. When ka ena na mach malong. Ma. Nino ka ena mach malong. Nen gine machane